Ki khubor ka Batesi TV.
Ka umdi basnyam bat penjaslian. Rupa Premium Meghalaya. Ka East West Group of Institution Bangalore. Ka khot admission nagamta ka nursing but paramedical course. Ka bala ithu da ka Indian Nursing Council. Ka buy admission ka badunatam. But she's pa percent ka jinyokam. Pila ru ban apply da ka education loan.
Ka ICA ka pinkre ya ka laway jongpi. Nakabinta ka tuition but coaching ka babhatam yapi. Yasno but ka ICA.
Ka North Liberty Higher Secondary School ka badana kishnang Mukordup West Giant Hills District. Kalarakhi ya ka Jubilee Rupa haga jingya lanti ban besaya ki umpoli jingstar syaki khana school. Shibanta jongani ka jingrakhi ka school kalapun kup buramru ya ki khana school ki bapas ya ka examen SSLC bat HSSLC arhajar arpusan. Hagani sngi ladon langru usembut menteri rangba ka jelau ba sniau bhalang dhar u MLA ka Jowai u ba wailat miki shela ka DSEO ka kong AP's aim u daloi ka elaka Jowai u ba Puramon Kenjing u principal jong ka school u ba Richard Uria bat kiwe. Kumban supentip hang ni baga North Liberty Higher Secondary School. Nado Snem arjar khat ar kalayo rung haga TOP-20 haga result SSLC jongga embos. But nado kani kapor tat hado menta kila don kan reungut ki kena ki balapau bah haga examen balapolong daga embos.
How North Liberty started, I believe you all want to know. It was about 26 or 27 years ago when I was still working as an engineer and a lecturer of an engineering college, and I would come back and forth to Jowai, that many parents from Mokordup, Moralong, Lompariat would bring their children to me for coaching. They wanted their children to do well in class 10. And among them were some students who had failed 3 to 4 years in their matric. So you can understand it was a great challenge. I did it without knowing that I'll be doing this for the rest of my life. And among them was a student who had failed 3 years in class 10. And after I had coached him well and guided him how to write his exam and he passed, I told myself, maybe I was a teacher. Maybe I wasn't an engineer. But being a teacher in the year 1999-2000 was not very attractive. Then people only wanted to be doctors and engineers. And starting a school where there are so many big schools in Jowai was out of the question. But I was determined to start a school in Jowai. Seeing that there was no competition among students in Jowai, I was determined to start a school. But before doing so, I was also getting ready to get married. And I knew that lots of girls and women during our days really admired doctors and engineers. So I had a fear. If I became a teacher, will my girlfriend still marry me? So I went straight to her house and asked her, if I become a teacher, will you still marry me? And the answer I got surprised me. My wife told, I will not just marry you, but I will serve with you. Can we give my wife, Larissa Liwait, a big round of applause? We have been blessed to have gotten 16 times into the top 20 list of SSLC exam, 1 time in the top 10 list of HSSLC, and 7 times in the top 10 list of HSSLC Science in just 7 years. I'm talking about numbers. 7 top 10 in science in 7 years. Numbers play a big role in this school. I don't know why, but when I get to heaven, I'll definitely ask God. We have also excelled in sports. North Liberty has been able to become the overall champion in both athletics and football for many years. Thanks to the great mentorship, guidance of Sir Hering Shangpliang, the then DSO, the first coach. Sir Milan Lenra, he's here today. Let's give him a big round of applause. He was the first coach of North Liberty. The present coaches, Sir Damehi Kendia, Sir Dap Montaryang, and Sir Joshua Podweng. Can you give them a big round of applause? They are sitting right here. And the dynamic leadership of the present DSO in charge, Sir Krobok Pasa, my classmate back then when I was in school. North Liberty grooms players not only for the school, but for the district and the state today. It is because of the names I have mentioned earlier. Let's once again give them a big round of applause.
Pensengau sorong gani ke skuri haduk kata penjrong girin yenyu ikam ginom ikmat kiong pi kamtam. Umem poi berkadi negani ke skuru mi ki kon kendru kendlot ki student ni ku wan hakmat do hak result. Yenu ang gani ke skuru dauman ka tu menstem ku ke brands. Ku kit burom yang ai pi hak bentawaro hai wito waga education sector. Ni deman kewin ke singi ku sa nam de yo penem burom arpau sandeli ke Snem gudalai. Wat de khana uma yurian ni kau tri yang ni ke skulo the beauty kejing lai lu ti yang untuk pensakan mu ko i. Paya hai tu ipor hai por wayu ni ke skur tang him form le mem. Tamanu wastat nom khana burum him form nong biang hinong. Ute to leader wo yo jangai. Leader ko start Kim Jong-gi, no at all. Always the word yes is always in front. That it means is encourage word in the future. Kaburom kum yedu mulinyi ki bayi ki pa ki yung o. Man ki veterans leader yang kutu kapor ku diyo jangai. Deka yu bui ka aset ka monument ya ka di district. Hai tu iporum jom kenu kam keni ke jai ubo. Mencuada yang orim jo bon ki pli ki man bay ki man pa ku jo ong man dadap da biang jo em go bo de hali de langka ko chna da yung de sem bon jai ter ki jing yo jangai ki he yong i handrei kini ki bay ki pa ko start tam yo jangai ki bo ki to do mut wom yedu mulin waro kam ko district waro go wi ong ep ngaken mo watai por yo ngadang khien kamau mawai lar ki skiat Bon ki drop up student nei ba ele wadunagi opportunities. Ublai ju bu wi pertam ju bu kam kwai. Ngaju yu boite. Karo mano ubru pai ba. Em ki kon ku start ku em kli ulai skur tang mem lar ki be ki pa ku pelai skur. Pujo ji apa kata? Handai em manusia em ki kon mahajon ku em ke lar pelai skur tang man ki ku tlor ku swili man ki pli ku dunai pure puti. Handai lembaga jin satu tom giong ikam ki bayi ki parang kar ki kon ki sangau sorong wong ni imam du mani ko sa den kaburom ku kerpang ki kong sem ku man ke joint director of education nado wan ga ni kam ke education officer po giant hill siong i ke giant hill district bom tipi bukan mo pita always is the best hak result man na ke Snem bai. Ini udah biar cong ya kabinet retreat kita sora ya lam chief minister i. Jo pai igi pass percentage nawarok ki skul ka makapok state. Wajang tiya is one of the best. Tiya kli hete to ki ka officer bina mi bertu ki kong sem. Sa sorong wa hati por ngalo man kan ngalan nakathanjang tiya ka yong i. Nei bakat ka mo man ka ni. Istat tayo am kambakan mo ya bakalapi. Ni mana chipen ta ke celebration kaya ni opening ceremony ke silver jubilee ngaku awang kajak dan em bagi student gura man demoralize sedin stai kajak ni ba wa yu go sam token ni wa sam moment tu yek ti go start ko gitopar na hanre ngaw ong ipim du to saw yam brempi everyone has got a chance always chapang student kajak ko aw khanai pi kaparom Kenita kuman topar henne kasi man is just the beginning of your life. It's not the ending, please remember. Tanay tay daw to dang start, dang minot, dang yo, dang betong yo man bigi future leader ng state kyong pi. Nakaliang yu kam ko sorkar idu tiya ikanin dimenta yung pi. Kamun pun biyang iwan wa chakra mi boryong i. Haos ngaw to i. Wai iwan wo demand ki blik ba iba mi ule kam wa kwa bi. But yes, at least we are trying our best at the possible hak one ke level ne ba ko permenai bi kajak le malu malam Snem di boy dang fokus ke timing da wai Muslim di ya MPSC center la ubran extend ke hajwai Europe suki beruk yongi dang bun inisiatif kuda wai do ma wai la dang bun ba yo kelam ni hak closingan ne ba ka mau mani da kelam lu di mi adu kelam closing ne ba jan da tikinam dam yu kuda kud bayu hak tun geski Europe kelami ini man kam kejing sedang wasau su hai por sedang ini celebration yo ile ule facilitation yakini ki kendo kena burom yongi gudara ki burom yang ke disik yang ke state we ke yungi we come tam ya ke not liberty family as a whole